Look at this. We got the Mamalona in here. Getting the 12.9. I mean, let me see the TV you're gonna put in there, man. Woo! That is the factory fit finish. So this is a Tesla style screen. I know a lot of you guys like this one, so we're gonna show Omar installing it for the homie Jerry and his new Chevy Silverado. So the first thing we got going right now is he removed the stereo, and a lot of cool things come in small packages, but not this little TV. What's the first thing you gotta do, Omar?
Check the instructions.
Read the instructions. That's what's good. That's what's good. Okay, done with that. Now what? This is a cool radio because look, everything comes plug and play. It's not that hard to install. The only thing is there's a lot of updates and firmwares that you have to do in programming, so that's where people get confused on this radio. So look at all the parts. It comes with a chime module for your chime. Ding, 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 ding. We also got the microphone, GPS antenna, 5G antenna. Ay, la policía. The police. What is that? Oh, they're still in the truck. Okay, no. Okay, also USB extension for the factory to retain them. So a lot of cool things. You can retain the backup camera. The sound system has a microphones. Oh, coach, ooh. Omar also, can you check his sound system? Because he has no more bass. The story is, he installed it himself, him and the homie, last night. And I guess they couldn't figure it out. They had to put it at one time, but then they couldn't figure it out. I think his channel will have the video, and if this is not up by then, I'll set a link on it so you can see what they were trying to do. Now that this is done, check it out. That's the screen. I'll show you what we did here to make it look a little sauce, they would say. So this is the screen, and what do you guys see the difference? This is the linkswell, right? So let me get this right here. So the nice thing about this beautiful screen, look what we were able to do for my buddy. Damn, customized emblem. So this guy's cool. He's a really good YouTuber. That's his YouTube name, Jerry Tweek. So it's nice to give him a little something. Cool, man. But it's done. This is a screen, guys. You can do a lot of stuff on this thing. It has apps, built-in apps. Okay, so if you want to go Netflix, boom, you got the Netflix. Ooh. You gotta log in, but also has HDMI, more apps. You can have like your Google, has the App Store, pretty dope. Yeah. When an Explorer, but the same thing, guys. You guys need to have the internet hooked up. So I love it. Boom! Check out this mamalona. Okay, this fucking truck, he's gonna be getting an upgrade. Okay, he's gonna be getting new bass. We took out the JL W1s, which he blew them up like that. He blew them up super. Hey, is that weed? Oh, it is. Anyways, we're also gonna be adding the DS18 horn blaster tweeters on the dash. You know, if you got a lot of bass, you need to have a lot of highs. Looks like he has here a Sundown 4-channel for the highs. ¿Es para el bass way or para el boss? 150 by 4. Let's go check out what's on the other side, which is this side. We're gonna put it on. Oh my goodness! What kind of fucking tardation is that? We're gonna let Omar take that seat out so we can see what's in there. All right, we got the pallet. You wanna come on this side? Waiting for this now. Yeah, hell yeah. Look, this guy's waiting for it. That truck is waiting for it. Everything's in there needs to go into these trucks today.
Damn.
Do you wanna put it on this side?
You know what? I'm actually in the front. There's a guy washing cars. I was gonna back it.
You can go this way. On this side, there's another bigger or wider. Okay, check it out. This is a 1000 JLRD. We're gonna take that out because we need a little bit more power. The subwoofers just got here by the UPS guy. You saw that. Excited, man. I like that. I like that momentum, that excitement he had. But also they got an epicenter, which they broke the top. And then I'm gonna get this thing going. Look at this box. This box needs to go too. The box that we're doing, that we brought on for this one, woo, it's gonna be a banger. All right, so we're gonna be running the copper, you know? We gotta run copper, 0 gauge, because the customer has CCA 4 gauge. So we're gonna take that out and upgrade it to the 0. Right, Omar? You have to smile away. People said you didn't smile no more. That bad boy massive amp, that JL 1500.1 needs 0 gauge. Here's the subwoofers. They just came in. A dire audio. This thing is huge. I pray to you that they fit. I pray they fit. Hope we don't have to exchange them. Everybody pray. All right, so on this Dodge Ram, we got the box. Let me show it to you guys. Look at this bad boy right here. So this is what we took out. See how thin it is? This is what we're gonna put in. Now these woofers fire down and it's actually ported. So he's gonna be able to get a hell of a lot more, airspace. He's gonna be able to get a lot more airspace. You see that? How much bigger it is? So, much better. It even has that port. That port right there is gonna do damage. Woo. Snaps, the amp is in. Look at that beautiful thing. Woo. Now he's gonna take out the seats. You have to take out the seats to make the box fit?
Yes.
Hot damn, look at how big that subwoofer is, man. This is pretty dope, man. It's really heavy too. A dire audio. All right, Omar's about to put in the subwoofer into the box. Checking the ohms, make sure they're good. All right. I don't know if Omar even knows what he's doing, bro. Do you even know how to ohm, bro? No, he doesn't know. Okay, so we heard this and we decided because there's so much bass, we're now gonna install this Arc Audio amplifier. This Arc Audio amplifier has a DSP built in, so we're gonna be able to control the highs super good. So since Omar put the top speakers, their horns from DS18, we're also gonna be doing this DS18 Pro mids But the DSP, they're gonna be playing right, just the way they like. Now we're gonna take the speakers that are in the back, put them in the, we're gonna take the speakers that are in the front, and we're gonna put them in the back. Okay, we now have the speakers and the DS18s. We're putting 6s because we don't have 6.5s. That's the plate they're gonna make. And DSP amp. So 6 channels. Now we're gonna run the front on its own channel, the doors on their own channel, and the rear on their own channel. I want to stress is this customer. This guy, I'm gonna show him later. He's like, I want it today. I don't want to wait tomorrow. I don't want it, nothing. I need to leave. That's why he's getting wooden spacers. And that's why he's getting 6.5s, because he don't want to wait for the 6x9. I have 2 people working on the car to get him out so he can leave. 2 people. You see? 1, 2. Okay. Car is done. Alright guys, here is the RAM. It is done. Speakers are in. Alpine radio is on there. So we're gonna play, only can play 6 seconds of music. I'm gonna play the Spanish music for you. Then we're gonna get out and I'm gonna play the other music for you guys. That's it. Okay. Alright guys, now we're playing the regular music, and this is what it sounds like. Alright, that sounds really good. Those are like Dyer subwoofers. I like the sound. It sounds clear. And this thing hits pretty good. Cool. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end. I want to appreciate you guys for always coming to the channel. Again, thanks. We've been going out lots of videos and I'm enjoying them. I also am enjoying you guys' comments. Bro, you gotta keep me on my toes, man. Keep me on my toes. Look, I want to let you guys know the customer who got this done, he's a good customer of ours. He's always in a rush. He was just like, get it done. You know, I'm going to change my car next couple months and I'll probably end up taking him out. So he just did whatever he wanted to do. Sometimes we do have those customers. Not everything is all fancy schmancy. But anyways, appreciate you guys watching. That was a quick video. I got more to come. Baby, I got more to come. I have so many videos. I have projects right here, right now. But I want to tell you something right now. If you guys are really true fans and really true followers, you guys can see the cars in the bay in the background. Like if you see a car there and it hasn't been done, like we haven't talked about it, most likely it's going to be the next video. So who can ever guess the next car that's going to be in the videos? I would like to see that. So if you get to do that and you get it right, I might tell you something. I might get you something. I don't know. But again, peace out, people. I appreciate you. Subscribe, comment, like.